Okay, now we're putting it all together. Same idea though. Start at the back, the end. How many of each type of company to maximize profit? So where do they talk about profit? Right here at the end. The profit, 15 for plates, 25 for cups. 15 for plates, 25 for cups. So, plates and cups. Again, you could use P and C if you wanted to. Plates, cups. All right. Cross it off. It's done. Now, it says, don't even need this really. Well, there's two machines. So it says manufacturing unit plates requires 1 hour on machine A and 2 hours on machine B. Oh, so we have machine A and machine B. Okay. Manufacturing a unit plates requires 1 hour on A and 2 hours on B. Again, you can put the X's if you want. I'm done with that. Producing a unit of cups, producing manufacturing synonyms, requires 3 hours on A and 1 hour on B. Boom. Again, that's it. Each machine can only do 15 hours. And that's the maximum, so less than or equal. So we have our constraints. 1x plus 3y less than or equal to 15. 2x plus y less than or equal to 15. And of course, these are standard, which we already have here, because we only have the first quadrant. So cover method, cover up the x, 15 divided by 3, y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cover up the 3y, x is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, again, that's down 5 and right 15. That's negative 1/3. It kind of helps to do down 1, right 3, down 1, right 3. It just helps you got to get an idea of where these go, and also kind of give you an idea where points might be. Makes it a little easier to make sure it's completely lined up. Just a hint. All right, now on this one, this one, if you do the cover method, you get 7.5, okay, for x. It's still going to end up being that way anyway, but let's do it with y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 15. Let's start at 15. So this was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're just going to go down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1, and keep doing this. And looky there, there's an intersection. And now the fact that this ends up at 7.5 here doesn't really matter. Okay? So sometimes cover method does not work, and that's okay. Whoops. I don't know why it does that sometimes. But the nice thing is, by doing the slope, we found out that we have a corner point right there. Okay? And of course, I did not do my check on which way to graph. So if I do 0, 0, I get 0 is less than 15. That's true. And 0 is less than 15 here. That's true. So you can tell where the area is. Okay. It's here, 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 and actually that 7.5 is important, okay? So we have 0, 5, we have 0, 0, we have 7.5, 0, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 3. And we're going to plug it in to this. So 0 makes the 15 go away, so that's 5 times 100, 5 times 25, which is 125. This is clearly going to be 0. 7.5 times 15 is 112.5. And 6 times 15 is 90. And 3 times 25 is 75. So that gives us 165. So luckily, there's our answer. If this would have been our maximum, we'd have to go to the next best one because you cannot make 7.5 plates. So what does that tell us? That means 6 plates and 3 cups for a maximum of $165. Okay, number 2. Now notice we don't have a box here. You can make your own box, or I'm going to show you how to go about this way. So first off, how many of each type to maximize income? Okay, so it tells us we have gardening mixture and potting mixture. The gardening mixture sells for 3 and the potting for 5. So Z equals 3x plus 5y. So I'm going to make this my x and this my y. So x is gardening and y is potting. Okay? So if you're making a box, you know, it would be gardening and potting. Okay? And you don't have to make it this official, as long as you have something like this. Now, the gardening mixture requires 2 pounds of soil, 1 pound of peat moss, and 1 pound of fertilizer. So what do we have? We have soil, peat moss, and fertilizer. So gardening, 2, 1, 1. We don't need this anymore. Potting is 1, 2, 3. We don't need that anymore. Now, she has 16 pounds of soil, 11 of peat moss, and 15. That means that's their maximum. You can see where we're going with this. And that's it. That's all of our information. So we have 2x plus 1y is less than or equal to 16. 1x plus 2y is less than or equal to 11. And 1x plus 3y is less than or equal to 15. Okay? And now we just start doing our graph. So if I do the cover-up method, y is 16 on the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right there. And x is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then we're going to connect those. Again, why does that happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that stayed 16. Let's try this again. I don't know why it's doing that, but now again, I'm going down 16 and right 8. So down 16 and right 8, that's -2. So that's down 2, right 1, down 2, right 1. And this just kind of helps make sure I'm all lined up. It looks pretty good here. Okay, so that gives me some points for checking the other line. All right. So on this one, we have 1, 2, and 11. Again, we're going to have a half point. Okay, so x is going to be 11. This is 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and y is going to be a 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Right there in the middle. Okay, and if we could have rewritten it like this: y is less than or equal to -x plus 5.5. So the slope is, -1/2 x. You divide by 2. Okay, so it's I'm going to go from the whole point we have. So instead of down 1, right 2, I'm going to go up 1, left 2. So up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2. Hey, looky there, we have a point of intersection. Up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2. And there's that point at the 5.5. And it did it again. Technology. But you can see why using those other points kind of helps line it up. Okay? And last but not least, if I cover up x, y is 5. So that's going to be right underneath here at 5. And x is going to be 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to connect 5 and 15. That should have been up a little higher. Okay, that's a toughie one because you can see how it's hard to tell where they cross. But it's right here at 3, 4. Now all these, if I plug in 0, 0, it's going to be underneath. So basically, where are my points? I have one here, one here, one here, one here, and one there. So what are my points? I got 0, 0. I have 0, 5. I have 3, 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. And 8, 0. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you what these numbers are. We don't have a lot of room. So that's 0. 0, 5 is 25. 3, 4 is 29. 7, 2 is 31. And 8, 0 is 24. So here's our winner. Okay, 3 gardening and 2 potting for $31. And again, that would have been this area right here. All right, this one's more just a review here. No word problem. So we got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't know what happened there. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a point. Down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. Okay, there's my line. Okay, plug in 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 6. That's true. Shade underneath. All right, next line. Widers up to 2. Now this one is positive 1/6. So that means up 1, right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's nice. So that's all we really need. It's not the best line. And I'm going to test 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 2. That's true. So it's going to be here. Okay. So my area is under red, under blue. So it's here to here to here to here. Right there. So what do we have? We have 0, 0. We have 0, 2. We have 12, 0. And we have 6, 3. Plug that into 20x plus 45y. Clearly we get 0 there. Here we get 90. 12 times 20 is 240. And 6 and 3 is 255. That's our winner. So 255 at 6, 3. We don't have any other information on it. So that's just how we leave it.